Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, open your phone the other. Now enroll keypad, and this is the place where we can enter the codes. Let's start with the shortest one, and it's *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with all device information like email number, serial number, whatever you need to read. Then tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use on your device is *##426#**#. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you tap on more icon, you can enroll advanced view. And here you've got it. Let me go back. And the last code that I want to share with you today is *##225#**#. And here we've got the calendar info with all upcoming events included. So this is it. Obviously you can use any other code the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.